Hello everyone, Allie here, and welcome to the Gold Mine. Thank you so much for joining me here on another episode of Allie's Treasure Trove. Now today's upload's going to be quite different from anything I've uploaded before. I had a lot of fun during my trip away this weekend. I posted some videos from the Mamamoo concert. I hope you all enjoyed checking those out. If not, if that's not your thing, don't worry about it. But I had so much fun, and on Sunday I did go to the Georgia Aquarium. Now it's a place that I've never been, even though I've been in Atlanta before, just because I've always been like, yeah, it looks fun, but it's kind of expensive. But I actually was walking past the aquarium each day that I was there, and I was like, yo, these sharks look really cool. Brand new shark exhibits, and I was like, I need to go check it out. So I was on the website, I booked actually a penguin experience, and I got to hang out with two penguins. I'll post a picture I got right here with a penguin named Kumi, but I also got to hang out with a penguin named Dodo, and it was super fun, and just checking out all the exhibits, I had a blast. So I have some pictures, I have some videos from my experience there, and I thought I would go ahead and share with you all just like a fun little kind of collage style video. Just because my flights in the name of being super cheap, I have had a couple days, 2 out of the past 4 days, where I've been running on like 2 hours of sleep just because I get stressed out with airplanes and I can't fall asleep because like, oh no, my flight's in a few hours. I don't want to miss it. So then I've had 2 hours of sleep, so I don't really feel like making a real video, and I have some cool videos that I've already filmed, so I thought I would share that with you all here today. Have some fun, something more chill and relaxed. So yes, take a look at some of the awesome creatures. Now, I didn't get to take video and pictures of everything, but just some of what the Georgia Aquarium had to offer, and just sharks are really cool. Sharks are super cool, dude. So enjoy! Hey everyone, thank you so much for taking a look at those videos and pictures that I took at the aquarium. Let me know which one was your favorites. I know there was some interesting creatures like the sea dragons in there. If you're not quite sure what it's called, just timestamp it and I'll try to remember. Just remember what exactly they were. But yeah, let me know what your favorite was down below and what's your, I guess, most cherished like zoo or aquarium memory that you have. Let me know. Now, I have been to some really cool zoos in my time. I've also been to some really bad zoos that I'm like, yes, you are the representation of why people don't like zoos. Those kinds of zoos, you know. But I appreciate the zoos and aquariums that put effort into wildlife conservation and revival of the species and things like that. But, you know, of course, not all zoos and aquariums are created equal. But let me know your most cherished memory, or if you haven't been, I'm sure there's some people out there who haven't been to zoos or aquariums. Which one would you like to go to the most? Let me know in the comments down below. But I hope you all enjoyed taking a look at some of the highlights of my short vacation. And I'll be back again here on Thursday, maybe with some gameplay, maybe with an opening. Probably just depends on how this week ends up playing out. But for this one, that'll do it. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button. As I mentioned already, your experiences or dreams, let me know in the comments below. And of course, if not yet part of the Alley's Treasure Trove family, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Last thing before I get on out of here is, of course, do have to wrap things off by giving an extra special shout out to all of my patrons over on Patreon. Thank you so much you all for your above and beyond supports. I really, truly do appreciate it. We do have 6 gemstone miners: Andon, Jack Perez, Mako, Rees, Sebastian Morency, and Shinanhoon74. We also have 6 crystal collectors. It's been a little while. Oops. I was like, oh no, what's the title? Crystal collectors: Anthony Ruiz, Dave Murphy, Jimmy Dixon, Joe Vaughn, Stephen Bly, and Todd Giambetti. But thank you so much again, though, to all of my patrons, no matter which tier you're on. I really do appreciate your above and beyond support. But with that does do it here for this video. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and I hope you all join me next time as we unearth some more treasures here on Alley's Treasure Trove. Bye.